Here is a Defold review. Defold is actually a website that is good for a game engine for high performance cross platform games. It is free, production ready, cross platform, and source available. It is actually a no setup website that has a visual editor, code editor, Lua scripting, and Lua debugger. As you can see, it is truly cross platforms from PS4, PS5, Windows, Nintendo Switch, Poki, Android, iOS, Mac OS, Linux, HTML5, Facebook, Xbox is also coming soon. The turnkey solution for this one is that it is also a basic building blocks to create complex behavior and everything you need to make a game in one tool. Write game logic using Lua and zero configuration. As you can see, you can custom the configuration and it is free. So if you want a free customer engine, this is the right one for you.